¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te ¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te
Well, 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 well. Look who we have here. I swear that's that SG guy. I swear he's late again though. He keeps telling me he's gonna turn up on time and then he just never does, man. Like, I know he says 12:30, but it's 12:33 right now. So that's 3 minutes late. You know what, in future, I think every time he's late by 1 minute, I'm gonna fine him $1,000. I think that's what we're gonna do. Nah, look chat, we're back. We are back. I'm excited for this one though. Let's start the stream, man. Let's start the stream. All right, all right, all right. We're all set up. Red rum. All right, let's get it going, chat. In 3, 2. How's your father? What's going on, chat? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. What's good, Jed? Welcome back, my bro. Cryptomaniac, Jay, Anil, Mr. King Woods, Benjamin, Tessin, Dale, Madlord, Ewan, Danny, Darius. Holy shit, whole gang's here. Short? No, 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 no. There's no shorts today, my friend. Absolutely zero shorts today. This is an unshortable market. I'll tell you that for free. That's the first bit of free information I'll depart on you guys today. Chat, it's going to be a good one, man. Let's jump into it. I'm excited for this one. I'm excited for this one. How you guys doing there, man? Make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. I guess we have to start with an analysis, right? News in 45 minutes. Let's start off there. News, news, news. ADP, non-farm employment change. Holy. Big, big event today, chat. It's going to be an interesting one. I'm excited for this, though. Hopefully the news is not too crazy. But yeah, news in like 40 minutes now. Whoa. Okay. So, jumping into it, chat. The weekly time frame, you can guess. Bullish. Daily time frame, bullish. 4 hour, bullish. No top wick on the current 4 hour, meaning it could flip at any time and give us the absolute entry of dreams, right? 2 hour, same story. Came down and broke the previous 2 hour low. If it rejects from here, chat, that would be extremely valid in my opinion. But chat, let's drop to the 1 hour. Let's drop to the 30 minute. 15. Yeah, there's kind of no price action up here, chat. It's kind of difficult. All right, in terms of where we want to see a retracement to, though, if you can bounce into 97, that's going to be really, really, really nice. 38.97 for like a liquidity area and then a rejection would be great. Meanwhile, you have some areas here. I guess you can say 39.13.4 is a sort of support turn resistance potentially. And then that takes you up towards 39.20. And then above there, it's Valhalla, right? You've literally got just the sky's the limit. 4,000 on gold could be possible here shortly, chat. Imagine $4,000 per ounce of gold is going to be mental. What's good, Dion? I think it's going to come down to 38.60. You must be talking FX, right? 38.70. I think 38.70 on FX is decent. But yeah, chat. Realistically, I think we should be good to get some positions here. If you can come back down and make some structure. We need to see some structure formed. There's not much else I can do here. I have to see some structure being formed. Otherwise, I don't know. SG's dad-in-law, well happy you told him to buy at the 1800s. Trust me, bro. Chat, we got no pink monster today. We got the green monster. Pink box is out there waiting. It's going to be a good day, chat. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. But listen, how was everyone's day yesterday? What did you guys get up to? Any positions? Chat, what did I tell you guys yesterday, huh? What did I tell you guys? did I or did I not tell you guys to wait for a 30-minute closure above these highs, followed by a bottom wick and a flip, and that's your entry? I did say that. And look what happened. You get the little bottom wick and you ride it up to infinity and beyond. See? Chat. I took this and made $1,000 on an eval and $300 on a PA. It was so simple, so easy. You guys just need to lock into the streams and remember what I tell you, man. Who took it though? If you did, congrats. If not, what other positions did you take? Did you guys get anything yesterday or did you stay out? To be fair, if you stayed out, then I don't think it's a terrible decision, to be honest. The market was a bit crazy. I entered into a long position at 38.33. Holy, bro's up 500 pips right now. Unless you're talking futures, then you're up like 700. Chat, 30-minute, by the way, closing very interestingly here. Previously, it closed bearish below. Hourly candle is still kind of only a bottom wick, which is very interesting as well. It's a bit strange, man. We're going to see what happens here because, again, you've got a lot of potential. A lot of potential. It's going to be them ones, though. Chat, let me just also log in real quick to have an exciting announcement for you guys. You can now use code TRLS at Alpha Futures for the biggest discount available on all accounts. All right, so no matter what discount Alpha Futures are running, code TRLS gets you the biggest discount-a-rooney. Who won your competition? The GFT one, did it end? I don't know who won. I haven't checked it in a while. 5-minute closing here, bearish chat. So you had a bit of a sky dweller play here, but then bearish close straight after it. Chat, 55 people in here right now, 12 likes. Come on, man. Drop a like on the blood clot stream. Let's do this. Code TRLS. Code TRLS, Alpha Futures, and Apex, biggest discount. So whatever the biggest discount on both of those is, you'll get the biggest discount using code TRLS. All right, nice. I got one a couple days ago. How much for Alpha Futures? There's different plans, bro. It depends. There's no activation fee on Alpha Futures if you use code TRLS as well, which is kind of crazy. Let me change that, actually. No activation fee. All right, nice. The real lady snatchers? It must be that. News in 35 minutes. Yeah, Finn, indeed. News in 35 minutes. Is the 85 activation fee still working? I believe it ran out last night, but I don't know if they're going to extend it or not. 15-minute flipping here, chat. You got 3 minutes till it closes. Holy skibs. This is a retracement if I've ever seen one. 4 hours, still no top wick. You've got a 125 pip bottom wick on this current 4 hour here. If this flips, realistically, you're going to go to the fucking moon. But I do expect us to tap into 97 at some point, because that's just basic market structure, right, chat? It's just basic higher high, higher low, higher high, retest that low, and then continue up like that. Simples, right? That's all we're going to look for. I did the same thing yesterday here with this little tap. And yeah, hopefully we can see the same thing happen today. All right, chat, cool. It's 10% for Alpha Future 0. Yeah, I don't think Alpha offers any discount on the zero accounts. Like they don't offer a promotion, but because I'm a super influencer is what they called me, I get 10% off the zero plan as well, which is I think the biggest discount you can get. I have got a few evals with Alpha Futures right now. Does the TRLS system follow session timings? What do you mean, gang? Joining the TRLS masterclass today, Q4, here we come. Mighty Meat, good shit, man. Did you lock in your space? Super influencer, you know, insane flex. Hey, I didn't say it, they said it, not me. Doing that just right now? All right, say less, my bro. Yeah, chat, we're literally, I mean, we're running out of time here to the masterclass. You've got how long? Masterclass happens today at 8 p.m. UK time. So you've got 7 hours till it. If you want to secure a space, then now's your chance, right? Masterclass is on Zoom? Yes, sir. How many are there in the masterclass? I think like 20, 25. Mods getting for free. Unfortunately not, my bro. I could not do that. What's good, Sam? Best name in chat. Actually, no, leave it. I think it's like 30. We limited it to 30 max. Originally, it was 20, and then there was so much demand. I added 10 more spaces, which we sold out. So I think, yeah, we're on like 28, 29 now. Because I think someone else couldn't make it. We're doing for the one-on-ones recorded? Yeah, I'm going to have to send it recorded. But you guys will get access to it 100%. And if you guys want to ask me any questions... Because I think I can only... How many people can I let in a Zoom meeting? Or is it infinite? I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not tapped in. All right, 15 minutes, chat. Closing in 10 seconds here. Starting to reject a little bit. Interesting. Is it going to close bullish? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, big top wick first. Insane. Absolutely insane. So obviously no buys off that. Basically a Sky Dweller play, but it obviously didn't form the bottom wick that we wanted, right? Kind of tough. Chat, the real question is, are we going to make a milli today? Are you guys hopeful for the milli? I think we should be pretty clear to make the mill. Whoa. BE on that trade from earlier. Nice. Been trading this ACG Alpha Futures eval, so you came and tapped my BE. Dead. SG, would the masterclass be available for rewatch, and would the link be on email? If you joined... Nah, it's gonna be, yeah, it will be for rewatch if you joined. It's not gonna be available to anyone who didn't, and the link's gonna be on the WAP. I can ask to send an email potentially. I don't know how that would work. I'd have to talk to my systems guy. There we go. Do we get access to the recording after? Yeah, you do. Chat, by the way, we're coming close to 10k subs as well, which is kind of crazy if you think about it. We said 10k by the end of the year. We're going to hit it like next week probably. I have a new video coming out today as well, chat. It's the Bright funded interview I did. So if you missed that, you're going to get another opportunity to watch it on my channel this afternoon. And if you did watch it even live, it'd be good to go back and watch it. I can't lie, because it was extremely valuable. Extremely valuable. So make sure you go check it out. But that'll be dropping, I think, around 6 p.m. So just before the masterclass. I meant access to the masterclass. How to join the Zoom? Yeah, it'll be sent on the WAP chat, Dale. It'll be sent on the WAP chat for the people who join. Yo. Where do my lines go? Okay. So if you join, Dale, you'll get I haven't kept track of who's in it, right? But actually, can I show this? Yeah, so basically, you'll get access to like a live chat in the WAP, and then it will show you. I'll be sending the link in like probably just after stream, actually, ready for it to go. Yeah, here. Gotta figure that out on WAP. Yeah, man. If you download the phone app, it should come up pretty easily. Otherwise, just log in on the member section on the website. I think it's relatively self-explanatory. All right, chat, starting to reject it. So the 15-minute made like a big top wick. Problem is, that even though we closed bullish on the previous, at any time this could just flip down. See? Oh, there you go. So yeah, no buys here, unfortunately. I think the best buys are either going to be, if we can come all the way back down here, break a few of the lows below 97, and then get like a big top wick. Sorry, a big bullish closure. That could be the buys, or if the 30 closes bullish, we could be good to go as well. Yo, is that a fresh trim? Yeah, it's been marinating a few days now, so we should be looking good. What's good, Gareth? How's it going, brother? Crypto Maniac, by the way, I saw you passed another phase 1 today. Congrats, my bro. If you could only trade with one firm, would it be Alpha Futures? No, it'd probably be Apex. Can't lie, if I could only trade with one firm, it would be Apex, because with Apex, you can get up to 6 mil in funding, right? The other firms, you can only trade like 5 accounts. So I think the max is like 750, something like that. On the rankings after a long time. Yes, sir, Mr. Mighty Meat back in the game. What's good, Blizzy? How you doing, my friend? Chat, I forgot. Ray's just reminded me, how did I forget that? New month, new quarter, new me. Let's change the title. The great Q4 lock-in, man. I forgot to check. Yeah, so chat, new monthly candle as well yesterday. Top wick first. What's the 3 months saying? Chat, this is the quarterly candle. That's got to be one of the biggest quarterly candles ever, if not the biggest, right? How big was it? 600 pips on the quarterly candle. Wait, no, 6,000 pips. My bad. That was stupid. But yeah, 6,000 pips. So we went from 33.25 to 3,900. Absolutely monster candle. What's the year doing? The 12-month candle, chat. The current yearly candle has what? 11,500 pips. From 2,700 on gold all the way up to 39.10. Genuinely, I remember us saying how crazy it was that gold was at 2,700. Everyone was like, yo, what the fuck? 2,700 on gold, that's crazy. It's going to hit 3K soon. Then it hit 3K and everyone was like, yo, 3K is crazy. It has to retrace. Now we're nearly at 4K. Sam, how many pips did you close with yesterday? Which one? The one on stream? Wait, didn't we hear... What did we do? We closed at break even yesterday on stream. And then it ran. Nah, but it was the right decision by far. What's good, Chaz? How's it going, man? 1 year candle shows that something's off. Asset Marksman, what's good? Chat, 75 people in the chat right now, 25 likes. That is diabolical. Drop a like on the stream. Otherwise, you know the rules. I'm getting absolutely swung for, or you're getting swung for, my bad. Yeah, Asset Marksman, the yearly candle shows that everyone is massively, massively fearful in regards to the dollar, to the to the world economy, to everything. Everything's just massively artificially propped up right now. Like, they've just been propping every single commodity. Chat, you know it's bad when every single commodity's been bullish. How does that even make sense? How is the like, how is NQ like the mega bullish at the same time that gold is? You know? At the same time DAX is. At the same time ES is. Like, chat. Euro USD doing? Euro USD is actually bearish, which is fair. What about, yeah, I don't know, man. Everything. BTC, Ethereum. It's insane. Financial information Tom has been giving us has been very helpful and so in depth. Chat, yeah, in the streams in the morning, Mr. Thomas has been going over like investing as well. So because Tom's actually, he's qualified to give financial advice. So he's actually like a regulated, I don't want to butcher this, but financial advisor, I guess. Not really, but he's got the qualification. He's been giving out some nice little information in the Discord calls in the morning, which is sick. What me and him have been talking about doing as well is, if you guys didn't know, the course that I have for sale, right, is a monthly membership, or you can either pay lifetime or monthly membership, right? And what we're going to be doing in there as well is we're going to be adding in that community, because it's a separate area of the Discord, right? You can see there's like a separate section around here for the course members. What we're going to actually be going ahead and doing is adding like an investing section. So like how to scale your wealth after you get trading payouts, which I think is going to be sick. So like, you know, maybe stock call outs if Tom's looking at buying a certain stock, or ETF information, all of that sort of shit. I think it's going to be so cool. Yeah, it's going to be sick. Long-term investing? Yeah, I know, chat, because this is something I'm trying to get back into as well. I used to do it quite a bit, and then I kind of went like, I don't know, pretty much all in on my business, right? Which paid off, obviously, but still, all in on like short-term trading, all in on everything. But now the cash flow is better in terms of like being able to withdraw from my brokerage and all that sort of shit, and I don't need to have as much money in a live account. I'm going to start going back into to long-term investing. It's actually a sick idea. I really want to use my profits from trading to scale my businesses and go into long-term investing rather than luxuries. 100%. 100%. It's also like tax-efficient strategies, all that sort of thing, you know? Oh, Mr. Kaiser passed another account today. Holy shit. Kaiser, I took that exact trade, by the way. I took that exact trade last night. Did that daily flip. Yo, bro, looking forward to the masterclass tonight. Hey, AJ, what's good, brother? I'm looking forward to it too, man. I'm super excited about it. Super excited. Nice. Thanks, I figured it out. I did not know WAP has chat features. I thought it was just a site to buy. Nah, WAP's pretty good, man. It's like, it's pretty, how do I say that? I don't know, the UI is pretty good. It supports a lot of things. For example, my entire course, chat, if you guys like are in the course, you'll know this, but if you're not, you obviously won't. My entire course is hosted on WAP, so you can get all of like the, hello, if it clicks. WAP, man, I'm trying to show you, oh, there you go. So look, like it's all through here, which is pretty sick actually, if you think about it. You know, it's a very good platform. All my days, we're ripping up, chat. 30 close here, could be nice in a little bit of time here. You have, 2 minutes here to the hourly close though. If this hourly did end up closing bullish, that would be the mega buys. But we do have news in like, what, 15 minutes? Probably gonna have to wait for news here today. Chat, I swear to God, ever since I got to... Hey, Jordy, what's good, my bro? How you doing, my friend? Ever since I got to a mil funded, I haven't had a single setup, really. I mean, I've had a few, like, small setups, but no like, A+, setups, which is kind of chopped. But yeah, non-farm employment news in 15 minutes, chat. Do you take mostly wick entries in your trading, or do you do mostly stops at breaks? Both, to be honest. It's a decent mixture. It's a decent mixture, my friend. Chilling in the military basement and watching you. The military basement. Bro's in the military or what? What about you? I'm chilling, Jordy. I'm chilling. Thank you, bro. In which prop firm you have $1 million funded accounts? It's across a couple, right? It's I have Traderify, which is 150k. I have Goat Funded Trader, 100k. Apex, 500k. Top Step, 250k. Totaling 1 milli. And then I also now have 100k worth of evaluations on Alpha Futures, which I'm hoping to pass. So that's going to take me to 1.1 mil. And then I can say over $1 million funding.
Gentlemen, I fixed it. We're back in the game.
Chat, there's a random man in my house. Some guys just walked into my office, chat. Quick, help. Chat, I don't know who this guy is. Chat, who's this guy? Excuse me, what are you doing in my house?
Chat.
What are you doing in my house?
Shut up. How we doing?
It's not very nice.
Diddy.
Hey man, how's it going? Remember me, the French trader, by the way. Too bad you closed out gold yesterday. I know, yeah. White Diddy. You're actually the white Diddy.
I am the diddler. I fixed it.
Tom finna back out the sawn off. Not the sawn off. Not the pumpy. Mr. London streamer, here he is. Chat, you got some fans now.
Mate, I've been really... I don't know if you guys saw what I was talking about in the Discord, but I've been locked in jail by Tradeovate and Apex for like the last hour and a half. Not been able to trade, but we're back. I was in a little bit of a grump in the other room.
Anyway, chat, the hourly just closed here, so we're actually pushing up top wick first, which is kind of difficult. Need a bottom wick first on that 30 close. It is a nice little bullish 30 close, but again, the structure on the lower time frames and the higher time frames is switched a little bit bearish. Blink 3 times if you need rescuing. 3-time blink. My defense trap. Someone breaks into my house. Yeah. Had to do 6 months of compulsory military service. I'm now in the 5th month. No way, Jordy. That's insane. Hopefully it was fun though. Is that an Austrian thing? Personally, I like my position run. W. What prop firm you using? Chat. Currently, I'm using Apex, Top Step, Traderify, Goat Funded, Alpha Futures. That's it. But chat, if you guys do want to get the biggest discounts at Apex and Alpha Futures with no activation fee on Alpha Futures, code TRLS, man. Soon I'm gonna have every single futures prop, and I'm gonna be like,
Thanos, mate. Collect all the infinity zones.
code TRLS on all futures platforms soon. What do you think of FTMO? I think they're overpriced. They have shit conditions, but they will pay you out. And I think CFD firms are dying off, to be truly honest. They were like, this Geordie guy sniping bottom wicks like Chris Kyle. Let's get this guy. Crazy. Yeah, Geordie, he's been killing it, I swear. I think I saw that shit on socials. Chat, just you wait till I get the mil payout. Then what? Is Top Step good? Yeah, it's good, man. You know what? To be fair, though, Alpha Futures is genuinely better than Top Step, and I'll tell you why, right? The reason being, you can actually, first of all, obviously Top Step has the lockout. Alpha Futures has a daily loss limit of $1,000. And what that means is, you don't blow your account at $1,000. You got, the max limit is $2,000, right? But it stops you from trading if you hit a certain limit, and you can't turn it off. So like, for example, if you were gonna full tilt, go to $1,000 drawdown, it would just close your positions, and then you can like reevaluate another day, and it will stop you from blowing your account, which is actually quite good for a prop. I didn't expect them to do that. It's actually against their interest to do that. How are you copy trading all of the prop firms, but all the accounts where there are multiple prop firms? I use Apex Copy Trader on NinjaTrader. It's pretty good.
I'm sure we've got news in 10 minutes.
Yeah, news in 10 minutes. Chat, the hourly's flipping here, and the 30-minute after closing bullish. Are we gonna make a mill?
Non-farm employment change.
Who's a meal? Chat, this, if we didn't have news, this would be quite nice, to be honest. This little play here. No, you can't copy trade with Top Step. Unfortunately. But to be fair, I think that's good, because it would be too much pressure if I had all of my prop accounts in one. Like trading a mill like that, bang.
Yeah, you get to kind of like split the risk up when it's across different props.
Exactly. Chat, I'm hoping I get my new iPhone soon as well. I ordered it like a week ago now.
Probably more. I'd say
2 weeks? When did it come out?
actually, no, I've only been here 2 weeks.
When did the iPhone come out? 15th?
A week ago.
I ordered it the day it came out, no, the day after. So maybe 2 weeks now.
I'm gonna try and revive this account from the dead.
Is Mochi in chat? I don't know. 67 viewers. 75, but yeah. Morning, Wallace and Gromit. Crazy. I'm definitely Wallace. Nah, I'll be Gromit. He's way cooler.
I was gonna say.
I'll be Gromit. Shotgun Gromit. Yeah, fuck. Gromit's way cooler.
Weird bald guy.
Jeez, Gromit. Nah, but Wallace can't talk. He's just a side. He's a side piece. You're just there in the background, just silent as fuck.
No, Gromit's the dog.
Yeah, but he just doesn't talk.
Yeah, well, Wallace is always getting that cheddar, mate, so that's why.
No, because Wallace gets the hose. You not seen Wallace's wife?
Nah, if you're anybody in that universe, you're definitely the were-rabbit.
Nah, look at this. See, Wallace gets all the.
The baddies. The Play-Doh baddies.
Yeah, I was gonna say all the animated baddies.
Mate, it's Play-Doh. The entire thing is...
Yeah, what's it called though? It's called stop motion or whatever.
Yeah, and they just create the little...
See, look, Wallace got the baddies.
Is that him in real life?
No, that's him. The next one, they made it really realistic. She looks minging, mate. What? To tell you who that actually looks like. What's her name?
That's Eugene.
Mate.
Yeah, I'm seeing
You can't tell me that's not Rachel Reeves. It actually is. Meh. That's actually what she's saying there. Meh. Yeah, I don't know, man. Gromit gets no hose though, so. All right, chat. Yo, Sam, you spoke. Yeah, Malenko. Yeah, I'll be giving it to you today, my G. Rachel Loki a baddie. You can't call Rachel Reeves a baddie, bro. Get him out. That's timeout worthy. I'm pretty sure.
I've got no taste.
Not.
How many pints?
Not the puzz, mate. The political hers. How many pints for Rachel Reeves? I don't know. We're gonna get banned here. It's misogynistic. I reckon you're cleaning out a brewery though.
At least 6.
He's locked in? Yeah, my bad. I'm definitely locked in. Alright, chat, we've got news in 5 minutes. Let's see what happens here. Let's get to 50 likes before news, man. If we don't, you guys are getting beaten up. Oh, actually, I'll beat Tom up. No, because then they're not going to like, because they want to see that. You forget what happened on the bouncy castle on the sea the other day, mate. Absolutely demolished you.
I'll let you off that.
Right, let me set up this copy trader in case we get a position.
Who's it?
What's your favorite city in France? I mean, it's not really in France, but it's gonna have to be Monaco. Monaco. We love a bit of Monaco, I can't lie. South of France is the best area in France. The rest of France, I hate to say it, brother, but is a shithole.
You know, if you're doing it based off of, why don't you just do?
Yeah, I know, but I'm logged into. I know, but I'm logged into the trader file one. Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say,
Yeah.
Then you don't have to change all of them.
It's alright, mate. It's alright. Alright, inbound. Chat, every time I select an instrument, which contract am I trading here? Right, because I live in Monaco. It's a very beautiful city. Bro lives in Monaco.
That would be nice.
Yo, DM me, bro. I'm pulling up to your apartment tomorrow.
AP.
Nah, I'll be there for the Grand Prix though next year. 100%. How do you say that in French? Je suis
Oh, mate, you're asking the wrong person.
in Monaco. Oh, Monaco. Ah, Mr. Janus back in the chat. Mr. Janus. Long time no see, my friend.
Shalom.
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 Shalom, Jackie. Shalom. Yeah, man. Chat, 5 minutes till news. It's time to make a meal. Hugh, where you at right now? 1 pint and 2's on a ciggy for Rachel Reeves? That's crazy.
2's on a ciggy.
2's on a ciggy, what, with Rachel Reeves or what? Is that the trainee? Dubai? Bro's not actually in Dubai. It's a green screen, the whole thing.
I got my first.
Hi Tom, I've been checking out your content and noticed you're doing some solid work. I help creators / brands like you turn raw footage into scroll-stopping videos that boost engagement and save you hours of time. Anyone else in buys? Type shit? Nah, I'm in buys, but not type shit. Nah, chat, low-key, I'm not in these yet, but this is what I was looking for on that 30 close. Realistically, we're gonna have to see what news does first. Comes out in 5 minutes. Should we just full port it for the bands? Is that the hot guy from Dubai? Full glaze? Question mark? Crazy.
Out of these two, which one do you reckon is going to be more high impact?
Hang on, chat.
Yeah, God forbid I ask the guy who's been trading for 1 million years a question specifically about.
Chat,
trading.
I'm getting my crystal ball out. Hang on, I'm getting something. It's gonna be PMI.
Yeah. I'm trying to.
Idiot.
Trying to revive this account.
Buy or sell? Both, same time. Easy. You can't lose. Literally impossible to lose at that point.
But are you actually being serious or not? I can't tell if you're trolling me right
No,
now.
I think it will be PMI. But you can do it on this one as well. Why not?
Well, I only really get one go on this.
Oh yeah, chat. What do you think about news, man? We've got 4 minutes till news. You think it's gonna go up or down? Press 1 for up, 2 for down. Buys to 3,900. My friend, we're at 3,912. So if you're taking buys to 3,900, you're gonna be in some fat drawdown. Couple of 2s. Ray said 5. Don't know what he means by that. 2, 1,
There's always one, isn't there?
2, so it goes up. 1, 2, 1. What's up, homie? Hope you made some profits all the way up, up, up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. 3, patience. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna be patient anyway, but like, it's just fun to speculate sometimes. Gotta be different. Classic. Chat, odds on, right? Odds on me and you go casino tonight.
There's no need for an odds on.
1 to 1. 3, 2, 1, 1. Fuck. I want us to go down actually to get in. I want to see us tap into 38.97 here, to be honest.
Well, actually, that would be nice. Yeah,
What's involved in the Q4 lock-in? The Q4 lock-in involves getting bread,
Yeah, what
getting
was the
built,
one?
getting no bitches.
It was
You can get
bread,
bitch.
That was it, really.
I shall give you a $5. Please flip it at the casino. Unfortunately, it's minimum bet €25 at the blackjack table, but I'll give you a fifth of my hand if you want.
One whole thing
Imagine, Ewan, you give me a fiver, I flipped it, and then we turn that into like a mil. You get a fifth of it, 200k.
And should we just give him his fiver back?
I'd just give you the fiver back plus like a quid.
Nah, that's fair play.
No, I'd give him the 200k if we flipped it. If we flipped it into a mil and he had a 5% stake, 20% stake, that'd be sick. And then I could just be like every other trading influencer ever, and just my student made 200k, but it's actually just he made it at the casino. Smart. SG joining the dark side playing blackjack. I love a bit of blackjack, I can't lie. But my trading mindset takes over every single time, right? And I just can't gamble more than, I don't know. Like last time I went to the casino, I only gambled like 400 euros. Which sounds like a lot, innit? But like...
Guys, imagine only 400 euros. It's just chump change, really. Only 400, God forbid.
No, but the point is, I'll risk like 2 to 3k on a trade on my live account, right? And then like 400 at the casino. It's just different. Baccarat's the strat. Bro, you're not even old enough to get into a casino. So I don't know what you're on about, Hugh.
Yeah, Ewan, after I lost my 50 euros, I genuinely felt like I've been shot through the chest. I was gutted.
God forbid someone fucking gamble more than you. Jesus. Chat, news in a minute here. Drop a like on the stream. We should be on at least 50 likes. Otherwise, I'm not giving Ewan his 200 grand. Simple.
Poor Ewan.
Poor Ewan. Poor unfortunate Ewan. You're trapped. I do get ID for Lemsip, however. Martin Gale strat on news. We love a bit of Martin Gale. Do you know Martin Gale?
He's the...
Mr. Gale.
Double you bet, innit? That's it.
Yeah. I've never been to a casino. You should try it, man. It's where generational wealth is created. In fact, the casino in Limassol is called the City of Dreams, right? And it's genuinely where they manufacture dreams.
You're always one hand away from your next big win. So, guys, never give up.
The main thing gamblers do wrong is they quit just before their big win.
Yeah.
Chat, news in 5 seconds here. Lock it in. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's massive.
Well, if it's just teleported off the screen, it's so much of a big move that it can't even be shown up on TradingView.
Chat, I've never seen a news move like that. Holy shit.
They come out as expected. What are we looking for? 52k.
It hasn't even come out yet. That's probably why. Imagine it just goes.
It's taken quite a while, to be fair. Normally,
4 pips is crazy. Yeah, it's devious for news, to be honest. Holy shit, it's huge. 4 pips is above average, though.
Mate, 4 pips. Fuck, I can't even talk. 4 pips is unreasonably big.
Oh, it did come out late. You would have made so much money. Chat, had some buys on an Aval from like down here.
No Wixor either. Like, that's a clean news move.
There it is. Since you said you love blackjack, £100 times 10 wins in a row is 100k. Work it out. Chat, all you have to do is double €1 32 times and you make a mil. Like, that's well easy.
It's rejected.
All right, all in on this flip, yeah? Chat, if this flips, we're going all in. No, I'm joking. Don't.
It came out as way worse.
It came out bearish for the dollars, which should be bullish for gold. What's good, truck driver? Welcome back to the streams, my friend. 99% of gamblers quit just before they win. Mega neg. You're cutting it quite close there, Jar, to be honest.
Excuse me?
Hello, by the way. What's good, brother? What's good, Caden? How are we today, bro? I'm doing very, very well. How about you?
Why is this flipping?
That's a bill in it. Is it a bill? I don't know, man. Chat, how are we going to flip here? This is the thing with news, right? News can come out super bullish for gold and it'll still just do some absolute fuckery. And just...
Yeah, there's no reason this should be flipping.
I'm off. It was good to be back. Catch you tomorrow. All right, Gareth, in a bit, my friend.
Oh, it's going back up. No, it's understand what it's supposed to do.
Bottom wick on the 1 minute. Oh, my days. Hugh, you like to trade news, right? Did you just make a bill off this? Big up Tom's tan tits.
I'm not tanned.
He's not tanned.
Not at all.
Best I had on blackjack was 9 wins in a row. Chat, I think I've told you the story. I mean, I have told you the story many times, but I was down to my last 25 bucks from that 400 and I bought it back all the way up to the 400, cashed out, ran away. Chat, this is crazy. News is so indecisive right now. Unbelievably indecisive. Waiting for the second. Smart. Second red. Can't guess.
PMI is ugly. You're getting thrown off the balcony.
Balk.
Literally just throw you over my head.
Chat, balk's short for balcony, by the way. Yeah, interesting. So, to be honest, if we close bullish on this 30 here, above 17, buys look very nice to take us towards the upside, right? But if not, you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, chat? By the way, if you aren't already, make sure you join the free Discord, right? It's extremely, extremely valuable. Tom's been doing his London session streams in there every single day. He made a meal this morning on stream, which was kind of crazy. He's now...
1 million rubies.
Rubies? Rubles?
Not rubies.
That's a lot of money. Rubies are expensive. I don't get it. So yeah, realistically, we're gonna wait for this 30 close. I think, I genuinely think we're gonna keep ripping up. There's no reason why we should stop here. You just grabbed a shitload of liquidity as well. You swept the previous hourly low, had no bottom wick, and now you've grabbed it. Yeah, this 30 close would be actually very nice, to be honest. 30 close like this, bottom wick, and then a flip to take us up past all-time high. Very nice, chat. So stay locked in. A lot of potential. A lot of potential. What's good, Kaiser? How's it going, brother? Mr. 200k funded over here. He's beating you now. No, wait. Are you 200k?
No, 150. I'll take a humble second place.
So race to half a mil between these two.
For now, anyway.
Yeah, man. I'm kind of getting paid. What does that mean? Kinda.
It's on its way.
We only get paid. There's no kind of. There's no if, buts, or maybes. Only absolutes. Blew the 250k yesterday. Oh, the challenge. Yeah. But you've passed 200k in actual funding. So I think that's okay, to be honest. I don't think that's a bad thing. Oh yeah, you had 1 day. You had to fall. I remember that. Yeah, that's fine, bro.
Yeah, Kaiser, that's the position I'm in.
100 contracts.
Mine reset tomorrow, so...
That's the thing with Apex, chat. If you have an account that's not passed and you have like a day left on your reset, I'm not gonna lie. If you're less than like 2k in profit, then you may as well just full port it. Which city do you live in? Aren't you in Dubai? No, I'm not in Dubai because Dubai is for nerds like Hugh. Nah, I live in Limassol in Cyprus. It's the new Dubai. Not really. Chat, I have a dilemma, right? I've been debating whether to buy a new car or an apartment. Huh? Oh yeah, or a new apartment. Now I know what the smart option is, but I also know what the fun option would be, because you can't swim on the motorway with a new house.
Yeah, you can't cut up traffic in an apartment.
You can't literally tailgate right up people's asses in a new car. What made you decide to trade gold with futures props instead of FX props? Futures props are way more leverageable, right? There's a lot more leverage. Like, you could basically... I mean, you could trade up to like 10 million funding on futures. They pay out more. They're cheaper, lower cost to entry and everything. For me, it's just futures props are way better. Buy a house and save on rent. Yeah, but get a Hummer? Nah. Hugh, I'll send you the car I went to test drive. I'm going to test drive. I'll send you it on Instagram, but I want to keep it a secret until I get it or not. Also, someone was selling a Turbo S yesterday, right? And I DM'd him, like, what's the price?
Right.
And he just, because he was like, I need to sell it fast on his Instagram. And he just left it on red. So you're not very good at selling, are you?
Not very good salesman.
Nah. What's the car market like there? It's so expensive, bro. Cars are ridiculous out here. Like, probably 50% markup on what they would be in the UK. Which is kind of annoying, but it's the only thing that's more expensive. Because everything has to be imported. It's left-hand drive as well. Or no, right-hand drive, left side of the road. Which is a bit annoying. But there we go. Chat, by the way, if you do want to get a slot for the masterclass, right? You've got 7 hours to do so. Actually, no, I'll close slots just before because I don't want people joining last minute and then maybe missing it. So I would say you've got roughly 4 or 5 hours to jump in. If you want to join, DM me the word live on Instagram or click the link in my Instagram bio to go ahead and actually secure your slot, right? Because it's not going to be recorded. I mean, it is going to be recorded for the people in it, but the people outside of it are never going to get it. So yeah, make sure you go grab it. Would you like my old VW Up 2013 with 101,000 miles on it, no petrol cap and a slight leak in the boot? It will not be missed. You've sold it to me, mate.
I would love it. Sounds amazing.
3K a month into Vanguard S&P, 10 years and you're done. Yeah, but you can't drift a Vanguard S&P, can you?
Can't do a handbrake turn with it.
The one-on-ones are going to get sent it afterwards, Kaiser. Oh my days, this flipped. That leak though? What leak? Oh, the leak in the boot, yeah. Oh my days. Alright, chat, well that might have been the liquidity. What do I pay for? Hey, you get way more than the masterclass, my bro. Don't you worry about that. Interesting. These sells look so good, right? But I just refuse to take sells at all-time high like this. Hey, what's good, Mark? Welcome back, my bro. How are you doing? J'aime pas le croissant. T'as quel âge?
I love croissants.
What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, wait. 10, 11, 12, 13. I can't remember how to count in French. 4, 9. That's German. Fuck.
4 is 4, isn't it?
Yeah, something.
You're
24.
You're 49.
24. Right? 24? 24. 24. No?
I don't know. I've struggled to get past 5.
I don't really do French. I speak a bit of German.
What's good, Mark? Good to see you in here, mate.
Who said you could talk to Mark? Yeah, man. Alright, 4 minutes here to the 30-minute closure chat. Honestly, if this closes below market structure, I would be more than happy to take the sells, but I just will not take them at all-time high. So I guess I wouldn't be more than happy to take them, right? Because realistically, it would just be stupid to sell at this point.
Yeah.
English dude trying to speak French is next level. Yeah, well, there's no point in English people learning French because when you go to France, if you try and speak French, these fucking waiters and everything, they go, I speak English.
Yeah.
You fucking prick.
Yeah, they actually prefer you to speak English.
No, because like French waiters and everything are just, no offense, Luca, but bellends.
Yeah, they are balance.
And I only ever really, when I go to France, talk to either waiters or shopkeepers or the man on the beach selling the sunbeds. That's like it. Chat, 3 minutes till the closure. Oh my god, we're ripping down. Maybe we look for this tap into 97 here. It's trying to re-break the 4-hour low here as well. Did it come? Oh my god, it made a 4-hour top wick. Crazy, it actually made the 4-hour top wick. I broke the low. I also speak French. I always speak French in France and never had issues. Also never had issues with English. Well, if you can speak French, it's different, right? But I think we're mostly like, s'il vous plaît, une baguette. Por favor.
Good.
Is por favor Spanish?
Yes.
What's French?
I don't know.
What's please in French?
Thank you.
Merci. Spasiba is Russian. Oh yeah, s'il vous plaît.
Oh,
Ah oui, s'il vous plaît.
of course.
What's good, Triz? Oh, bro. S'il vous plaît. Bone apple teeth. What's good, Luger, as well? Welcome back, welcome back. All right, chat. We are ripping down here. I'm hoping to see our reaction when we tap into 97.5 here. Ribbit?
Not the ribbit.
Not the ribbit. Too many languages are mixed in your head? Trust me, like, because I know a little bit of, like, a lot of languages. Dude, I'm French, you know me now, but please stop, I'm crying with laughter.
Oui, 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 oui.
No.
No.
Oh yeah, there's also Voulez-vous coucher avec moi?
What's that?
I think that's Do you want to sleep with me?
That's all you need to know.
That's it. Ce soir, tonight. What's the other one? WESG? Get in. I've pulled. See, it's that easy.
Come on, mate. You could give it up less easy than that, Ewan.
Moulin Rouge. Petit filou. All right, chat. 30-minute closing in 45 seconds here. So the plan was going to be for me, I want to see what we do when we tap into 97. All right. Once you tap into 97, if we can get like a liquidity grab, strong bullish close, and then the buys up, that's going to be the play, I think. Did the daily flip? No, not quite. Not even near, actually. Daily does have no bottom week, though. I'm hyped for the masterclass today. What's good, Baze? Yeah, man, I'm excited for it, bro. I'm excited. It's going to be very, very good. I'm always around. I'm just a quiet type. Mysterious. All right, 30-minute closing. I'm leaving for my American session. It's always a pleasure to speak with an English speaker. Kisses, happy trading. Kisses, you know.
See you later, mate.
I think that means a little. That definitely means a little batty boy, doesn't it? Little batty man.
It's not going to be good.
Translate.
That's the song. That's the song. It's a song.
A small building in Montour.
Yeah, but if you when you
I swear that said. That looks like a little batty man. That's immediately what I thought. Do you know some words in Balkan language? I mean, I don't think there is a language called Balkan, is there? But I know a little bit of Romanian. I know mulțumesc, which means thank you. Mici, which is like a dish, I think. I don't know, I've forgotten a lot of it. Kata taught me, but I've forgotten a lot. I'm not gay, lol, but we say bisu. Nah, it's all good, bro. I understand. I caught the London move of gold, 5.5 hour banger, almost done with the 50k. Nice. A little batty man, yes. I knew it. How many people pressed buy when the news came up, rinsed their account, manipulated market again? I reckon a lot, DJ. I reckon a lot. Is this what a lot of Geoguessr does to a man? What, just multicultural and knows a few words?
We're just very well.
That's what a lot of You're not.
I'm extremely well traveled.
I'm Mr. Well-Travelled.
You ever been to Newcastle?
Why I? I, man.
We are, man.
Why I, man? I was looking at taking these sells with BE point, the wick fill, and 50% partial. Yeah, it kind of fucked it though, because it came down first. So, I mean, the sells don't look bad, but like, it's already filled the wick. I genuinely think the move, chat, is going to be once we confirm a bullish movement. Remember, chat, we are still very bullish here, right? For all you guys know, if you try and take sells here, this could literally be the higher low being made for us to then rip up, and then you're going to get the mega stops hit. Oh. It's ex-Yugoslavian language. You have a few countries who speak the same language. We can. Oh, crazy. Mr. Worldwide knows one word from every language in existence. I reckon I could know. I reckon I know one word in a lot of languages.
Do you know what Balkan Rage is?
Yeah. Jambo.
There's a bit of Scouse. Unlucky lad.
Laffy la. Hit the park gates, lad.
Get the fucking tunes on.
Put the tunes on. I like your stream, mate. You're very chilled, answering comments, enjoying chat, and having fun. Keep it up, man. Respect. Appreciate it, DJ. How you don't know, brother? I was thinking we are the friends. I am the friends. Do you know any Finnish words? Yeah. What's it called? Surströmming.
Oh, the fish thing.
I don't even know if that's Finnish, but there you go.
Do people actually eat that? Like, is there...
Someone get the... He's gonna get the chopper on you, lad.
Am I get the tunes on? Get the fucking tunes on, man.
Yeah, man. I would not look for a trade this price action using my strategy. Price would have to sweep the low at 38.80. Bro said Surströmming. Surströmming's the fish.
The fish thing, yeah. The one that makes people sick.
There's no way people actually eat that, by the way. If anyone's from the Scandies, try Somali. Oh, Somali's just wahali.
Wallahi. Not what?
Wallahi, yeah. No, what do they say? There's a word in Somali. I don't know, cat.
Wallahi.
They like chewing cat. Cat is like a plant. It's basically like a bit like coca leaves, and they chew it and get stoned. I think. It's bad shark. Is their national food? Yeah, grim. That's Arabic. I know it's Arabic, but they speak it. I think. I don't know, man. I'm not trying to be... What are these beats? Holy. Bro, I got copyright struck. So I need to lay low for a bit on the copyright. I think it runs out on October the 10th, so I'll have some good tunes back in a little bit. Try Indian to respond to people asking for their money. Chicken dansak.
Terrible joke.
You laughed. Can we push down here, chat? I want to see a tap into... The mad thing is, right? This stream is just ridiculously brain rot, but we actually make bread. I don't know how it's like... Chat, it's the only place you're going to find some hilarious people, or one hilarious person on stream, and then also someone who makes bread. Same person.
Same person. That's me again. 2 for 2.
What do you think about a sell 38.83 on 30 minute? Nah, I can't take sells, man. I cannot take sells. I would take buys after 38.97, right? But I can't take sells. Today's full brain rot? Nah, it's not. Clash Royale is a Finnish game.
Now
Yeah, it's finished.
Now this guy's spitting. What a game, Clash Royale.
Last beat was fine, not gonna lie. I didn't say... Okay, good. I like the music. It's produced by Mr. Will. Oh, we reflipped here, re-breaking the lows. This should come down and tap into 97, chat. Or 98 as a minimum. How many trophies is everyone on? You've got like, what, 3,000?
What? 3,000? Yeah, maybe 5 years ago. I've got nearly 15k.
You definitely...
That's the max.
You definitely know life here. Yeah, Clash of Clans is better. I'm standing with a nil on this one. Clash of Clans is way better than Clash Royale.
I wonder why Clash of Clans is terrible, because what is the point in a game where the main mechanic is to not play it? Like, it's the stupidest game decision. It makes no sense. The main aspect of the game is to not play it.
No, it's bare smart because they know people have no attention span, so they don't want to wait 5 hours or 16 hours. So you buy the gems and you speed it up.
But you're not even playing the game.
Don't worry, I'm log bait king.
It's just
I
waiting.
don't even know what that means.
To type of deck.
14k on Clash here, mad. I'm top 2k in Clash Royale. You guys are no lifers, eh?
I was trying to explain to Sam that Clash Royale is just a more sophisticated version of chess.
Yeah, so I'm sat there playing chess when we're on the treadmill and stuff. This guy loads up Clash Royale and he was trying to convince me that I was brain rot for playing chess.
Yeah, because Clash requires a lot of thinking power. Chess is just moving pieces around. Hoping for the best.
How are the London streams going, Tom? Had no time to pop in yet to drop some wisdom. Bro's been giving investment advice. It's actually been good.
I've been dropping some serious knowledge.
SG, do you have a specific trading window? If so, how long on average are you on the charts a day? I trade, to be honest, when I'm not on stream, I look on like the charts on my phone, see if there's a setup. If there is one, I'll jump on. If not, I'll just go about doing whatever I'm doing, making content, doing one-on-one calls, whatever. And then I stream obviously for like 2 hours during New York, then I jump off. Simple. So pretty much maximum I'm on the charts like 3-4 hours a day. Tom, what deck do you run? You can tell him.
Oh, ho, ho. Let me load it up. I'll show you. Ugh. 2 secs. Wait, hold on. I got my rewards. Oh no, wait, hold on. I've just got the 7 years played badge. That's how you know I'm an OG. Is that gonna focus? You can kind of tell. You can kind of tell. I don't really know how to make it focus. I'm not much of a streamer. Mate, top 2K in Clash though was kind of mad. Grand champion. That's big time. Mate, he's Grand Champion Rocket League. This Baze guy he's.
Wait, Baze, no way you're Grand Champion Rocket League. Yo, we have to play.
He's good at every game.
We have to play. I got to my highest rank when I was playing was Champ 1. No, Champ 2.
So this guy just sucks at every game. So
I'm better at Rocket League.
Don't listen to him.
You can carry me to Grand Champ if you like. Let's do a 1v1. Well, obviously not. If you're Grand Champ, then you're gonna smoke me. I haven't played it in like 2 years as well. You definitely just main Goblin Giant. Is that even a guy?
That is a card.
Yeah, I knew it.
That is a card.
See? What do you bench? My max bench ever is 155 kg. Yeah, see, you lot comparing like stats in fucking Clash of Gay. You got me here, real life skills. If we had to lift a 150 kilogram car off ourselves, I would win.
No.
You would die.
My max bench is 190.
Shut up. Place to buy for him 10 lot is crazy. You looking to trade today? Nah. I'm sat on the charts, hoping not to trade, to be honest. My bad, TL. That was unnecessary. Yes, I am looking to trade. I want to see it come down into this level and then reject. What car is 150 kg? Tom's got one of those little clown cars that he drives around, right? Where like his legs and arms are out the window. That's about 150 kg.
It seats 20 people though.
Somehow we all get in it. 10k on TRLS soon? Yes, sir. Chat, drop a like on the stream, man. Over 100 people in here right now. We should at least get to 75 likes on the stream. Reliant Robin, that's a fucking bro knows ball. Bro 100% knows ball. If anyone's seen the Top Gear episode where Jeremy Clarkson's in the Reliant Robin and he keeps flipping it over. Did we know what car you're looking at? Not yet. I think most of you could guess it though. 66. You got an order set at 66. Yeah, I honestly think 66 on futures, 97 on 97 on futures is the one. That's elite ball knowledge. Yeah, it actually is monumental ball knowledge. You don't know ball like that. Tom, do you want to tune a shake? He's walked away. He doesn't deserve it after that. Mark asked if you want a tuna shake. Where's the cats? I only have one and it's in Germany right now. My cat's more traveled than most people. She's chilling out with the Deutsches. Yesterday I wanted to buy 3 gold micros but bought 3 minis, sold directly, $300 profit. W. Those lines you marked, is that fib levels? No, it's support and resistance levels. Yeah, it's just basic rejection areas. Robin Reliant is 495k? No way.
What?
What?
Is that because it's like an old school car or something?
No, they're not. They're super cheap still. Bro's just clickbaited us.
500 bags. Oh, okay.
All right, chat. 15 closing here in 2 minutes. Maybe if we get like a no bottom wick close. Can you speak German? I can, yes. I'm pretty much fluent in German, but like, not like, I don't know how to explain it. I can speak German, yes, but not like a German person, if that makes sense.
My new router.
Aber natürlich. A Robin Reliant for cleanup will go crazy. Not the cleanup crew, Robin Reliant. Get all the baddies in the back of it. Three-wheeler.
Parked outside of Rock City at 4 in the morning.
Not Rock City.
Pop World. All the baddies go to Pop World.
Insane. All right, chat. 15-minute closing here in 2 minutes. To be honest, if this flips bullish, that wouldn't be too bad. It didn't tap into the level, though. Rock City on my days elite. Bro knows ball. Bro knows ball. Do you remember that time we went Rock City and I was just throwing ice at Ruben's thing? I think from that point on they were not happy. Anyway, it doesn't matter. No chewing gum for you.
Get off! You're gonna embarrass yourself. Don't make me embarrass you on stream. I scrap you.
Oh my god, I've pushed him off screen. And you're just forever banned to the. Look at you're in the cut corner seat now.
I'm in the goon corner.
not the goon corner. I was there on Saturday. Why were you there on Saturday?
I'm not locked in.
We were talking about being there like 4 years ago. You can't go there still now. What firm are you funded with 1 mil allocation? Apex Trader Funding, Top Step, Traderify, Go Funded Trader. That's it for right now, innit? And then Alpha Futures coming soon. You two should just kiss already. Jed's been edging this whole time.
He's nearly there.
It's for freshers. Bro's definitely a third year turning up to freshers still.
He's on his 3rd master's course.
Nah, bro. Not the 26-year-old fresher. Started a paper trading account on TradingView, trying out a new strategy. Target to make 25%. If I go for it, I'm going for a 200k ACG challenge. Nice. What's good, W7? Welcome back, my bro. How you doing? Chat, 15 closing bearish by the looks of things here. The music stopped. There we go. To be honest, I wish we just tapped into the level and rejected, because that could have been nice. But we're coming up here top wick first on the 15 open. It's a bit not good. We have tapped into the previous wick highs though, chat. So this could be the area you reject from, right? Could be. Definitely not doing my masters and going freshers. Why not, bro? That was your specialty.
Yeah, I was on cleanup crew every night.
Tom was literally a 25-year-old going to the freshers events, buying the wristband. Just tap in already. Yeah, tell Price to tap in. You tell it. There's a lot of potential here. Once it grabs liquidity and rejects it, this is gonna be so nice. But the problem is market structure is still bullish. So, chat, like yesterday, what did we see yesterday before we got the position, right? You saw. Nah, that's not it. Where is it? You saw like the market structure. Here we are. So you saw like the market structure shift. We were coming all the way down, and then the lower time frame on the 5-minute made like a bit of consolidation, market structure shift. The entry was like around here, and then it ran all the way up, right? So if we can see the same thing again today, it's funny because we've just gone from brain rot to me dropping actual knowledge. But if we can see like a tap into the area, then a bit of consolidation, then the market structure shift on the lower time frame, that's when I'll take the bias to continue up, right? And that's when it's going to be an A+ setup for me. I can't just really take it off the rip. So a few things need to print, but it's only 5-minute structure we need, so it won't take too long. Aren't you 30 this year, Unk? Says bro who gets ID'd for a cup of coffee at Starbucks, mate. I'm not even that old.
You are getting on a bit. I'll make some jokes, right, and I can tell he doesn't get it anymore.
I started forgetting things.
Yeah. But this morning, right, I just came into the kitchen, there's glasses and shit just on the floor.
It's not even a lie, is that? PMI today? Yes, sir. How long till PMI, actually? It's like an hour and a half, no? Yes, an hour and 15 minutes till PMI. Also, price just wicked at yesterday's high? Yeah, it did. Oh, we've got some volume, though. You know what, yeah. I'm gonna beat you up.
So did I give you permission to speak to me?
Gonna be some late shifts on stream next month for me. On Steam? Or stream? Bro's gonna be playing the new
FIFA.
The new black. Yeah, Jed. Me and Tom have got a bone to pick with you, man. You're not locked in. I swear, every time we go onto the Discord, it just says in the top right, fucking Jed Thompson, FIFA, EA 26 or whatever it is. Bro's just been no life in the game.
He's grinding out foot champs, mate. Leave him be. FIFA, the best game to go play to relieve some stress. If I lost a trade and went on FIFA and played a game of foot champs, some guy sweaties at 90 minutes, lose the game. My entire desk setup would just be, it would be in smithereens. Not the smithereens. Not the smithereens. It'd be just a piece of rubble.
You got that white staff ready? Is gold the only thing you trade? How often trades appear for your setup to take? Like twice a day max. Between no times a day and twice a day. So I guess average once a day. I've been updated that the masterclass is at 3 a.m. Oh, Dale. My bad, my friend. Unfortunately, the most popular time, we did a vote and it was that. It'll be worth it though, bro. It'll be worth it, I promise.
Wait, where in the world is it going to be 3 a.m.?
Somewhere.
Not in America though, right? America.
Asia. Australia. Not Australia. Dubai? No.
That's what I'm saying. It's got to be it can't be Europe. It can't
Thailand?
Be America.
I think Thailand. The Philippines?
Oh, okay.
The Philippines.
I was going to say.
Filipino. Chat, we're coming down to the liquidity level here. Dale, how was the earthquake? I'm sure it was fucking lovely. What a question. Oh, it was emotive, bro. You should have been there.
Pull up next time.
Next time there's an earthquake. Have you seen the Geoguessr? I don't know if I can say this on stream. Have you seen the Geoguessr? The race Geoguessr?
No.
No. There's like a Geoguessr and it's based off of like, it's called Ethnoguessr.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought this is what you meant, but.
Let's play that today. I'm almost certain that would be
that could potentially
the mega ban.
It could be TOS.
Yeah, he looks like he's from X country. Like, nah. No way, what?
And do you know what it is? Seeing as you're streaming, you have to justify your answers. You have to explain exactly why you
I have to do the technical analysis on
I want a full breakdown.
on the size of the nose and shit. The Mandem, what's good? What's good, Green? How's it going, my bro? Chat. Holy shit! I drew this level 10 hours ago. Look at that rejection off the dot, like literally to the T. They call me Mr. Accurate over here. In fact, zoom in, mate.
That's you the Tekarune.
Oh my days! This is how accurate the strategy is. Literally to the tick. Just drawn off of a fucking resistance level. A previous resistance level. You don't need any standard deviation, ICT, PO3, penis meat type shit. You don't need any of that. You just need a line. It's so simple. Did the 5 close no bottom? Oh my days, it actually did as well. That is unbelievable, Mark.
That was a little bit tacky.
That's actually crazy. Unbelievable, Jeff. I love the line. Yeah, the line's goated. The line doesn't concern himself with FVGs.
The opinion of unprofitable traders. The line doesn't.
Yeah, I need a line. That might be TOS.
Yeah, really good actually.
Pick up the tickers. Whoa, hard R on the tickers is crazy. It's spelt ticker. People love to complicate things. Yeah, they actually do, man. It's so unnecessary. There's no need to like unnecessarily complicate stuff. All right, chat. But this is that was the liquidity level. So that's step 1 in the master plan. Achieved. Step 2. Bullish structure / rejection / bullish close. See you on the masterclass. Bye. All right, babes. In a bit, man.
A bit pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Chat, the question is, yeah, what if we do make a milli right now? Step 2, steal the moon. Bruno's ball. Any tips for how you have such a high win rate, man? Yeah, you have to wait for the A+ setups, bro. Wait for all your confluences to be in line. Make sure you take the setups you're only 100% convinced on, right? My number one tip, right? Genuinely, my number one tip So my number one tip for taking the highest win rate setups, right? And the reason I have a 90% win rate is because I only take setups where if it goes against me, I'm literally sat there thinking, I have no idea how it did that, you know? You should be so convinced that you're in the right direction that if you get stopped out, it's like, you know, it doesn't make any sense to you. The market's done something weird or, you know, whatever it is, something's gone wrong that isn't your fault. So you've got all your confluences lined up, the daily bias is in your direction, the current higher time frame and lower time frame structures in your direction. You have all the confluences, and then if it goes against you, you should be like, what the fuck? Because if you're that confident in the trade, that means you're most likely taking only A+ setups, and that's when you get this high win rate, like I have, 90% win rate on stream. Clip that. What's good, Bedge? Can we go long now?
He's asking for permission. You have to grant him it.
I'm group leader.
IGL.
No, you can't go long yet.
Not allowed. Do your chores, mate, and you can come back. Come back and try again.
Have you taken the bins out today yet? If so, then you can go long.
Have you tidied your room?
That bed's not going to make itself. You only take the tip? Technically, it's all of you guys that are taking my tips, so I don't know what you're on about. Mad.
Yuck.
Edgelord is crazy. Bro, Hugh used to come into every single stream and just go like, what was it? Shalom Edgelord, I think. Used to get me every time. Chat, this 5's being a bit techie, I can't lie. Can't lie.
Can't lie at all.
Fuck's sakes. I'm pretty sure Bambi's now having one Christmas again. Thank God.
Tommy?
Tommy, have you been cheating bare jerseys? I think you organised a TRLS slip and slide? Gangster. I'm down.
Not the slip and slide.
What was the biggest thing you bought with your trading payouts money and how did it feel? I bought Mercedes AMG and it was good. That was it. It was good. It doesn't really change much, to be honest. It doesn't change too much. The only thing that happens is you have a nice car. London did not take the Asia high. Lots of liquidity up there. NY ready to take it on the Nazi. I presume that's the NASDAQ. Yeah, maybe. TRLS Royal Rumble would be hard. The breakout earlier at 38.98, would that have been valid on the flip?
Not Mr. Mochi.
Not this guy again.
Ow.
38.98. Here, yes. Very valid. I wanted to take this, but it had no wick when it first made the move. Right? Oh no, I wasn't awake.
He's an ex-pro.
No, I was awake. I was awake. That's 10:30 Cyprus time. Of course I was. I can't remember what happened. I think it had no wick. It came up first like this. Yeah, it did.
That's when I was streaming on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
PA looks so much better on gold than EU at the minute. Trying to trade support and resistance on EU has been a pain. Yeah, gold's really good for support and resistance, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Chat, this is good though. You're coming down below the liquidity area. Do you keep a profit threshold? No, I don't. I don't think it's worth it, man. It went up, then made a bottom wick, then reflip. Yeah, nah, that's why I didn't take it. To be honest, I knew it would rip, but there we go, man. And then I wanted to take this one after it closed on the hourly, but it just ripped up, obviously, no bottom wick. Yesterday, I had buys, like, last night. Like, where was that? Here. No. I don't even know. Somewhere. All right, I'm in buys. Good luck. It's quite aggressive, but good luck. Did we not take Asia liquidity?
It's just ripping down.
You kind of... No, you didn't. You're right, actually.
Going straight down.
Let's go nuclear, chat. Hourly close in like 2 minutes here. Yes, we did. No, we didn't. Moch.
Mochers.
I'm not talking to this guy. This guy's banned. Chat, if Mr. Mochi sends you a follow request on Instagram, deny it.
Just gonna keep sending you that.
Yeah, he keeps sending threatening gifts to me on all my Instagram posts.
Mr. Mochi.
Can this candle flip, chat? If this candle flips, we're gonna be in for the mega buys. You guys don't even know about the mega buys.
You get the mega bucks from it.
Can't lie, I'm gonna have to do some back testing on gold and see how it is. You might convert me into a futures trader. I mean, you can trade gold on CFDs too. You could just trade XAUUSD, right? But futures is pretty elite in terms of props. My live account, in terms of like my real money, in terms of my actual like live personal account, is still on CFDs because I like trading MT5. But
And the champion.
I'm trying to speak here.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, it's alright. Futures props are way better is what I was trying to say. This guy ruined my clips. A minute until the close. Chat, if you close back above on the 5, oh my days. We've just grabbed the mega liquidity.
The mighty liquid.
Ella Daxi. New content coming. Bang SG.
Mr. Mochi, when are we gonna get introduced to your Gyal?
Oh. Jez just wiped him
Jez
out.
eliminated him.
Rest in peace, Mr. Mochi.
He's got to be the #1 most banned guy of this entire channel.
No funeral for Mr. Mochi though.
There's no way nobody's had more timeouts than
No, I think at one point Mark used to have the most timeouts when he first joined because he used to say the most ridiculous stuff. Like he said this like years ago. Can't even type it. He said, like, bro's 15. He came into chat. It was one of the first messages he ever sent.
That could have been a serious fumble if you'd hit the enter key though. Career gone. It's in the chat logs forever.
Chat, if this closes above, we could be good here. Oh my god. What the fuck?
This is weird.
I think it rips up here, to be honest. I think we see the rips here. But you know the vibes, chat. I can't take an entry unless we get this set up. Three, 334 break even. Am I seeing that correct?
What, the Schmidleys?
Oh. Oh. No. That's mad. I forgot to delete it. It's 34 break even. Chat, how did no one notice that before?
Most consistent break even.
I may as well just be Mr. Break Even at that point. Nah, yeah, 34.
Go and break even after a singular tick of profit.
That could be the meta, you know.
You'd never lose.
Yeah. It's actually not true. Do you have any experience trading FX then? Or have you always been a gold trader who switched to futures props? I used to trade Euro USD. I used to trade gold on Forex, like CFD gold. And now I trade it on futures and FX still. And most of my payouts have been on futures, right? I have like 30k, over 30k on ACG. I have like over 70k last year on my live personal account and withdrawals. Like, most of my money came from CFDs. I've only recently switched to futures just because it's the meta. Tom told me everything last night.
We chat for hours now.
Did he tell you he's a virgin?
I'm saving myself for Mr. Mochi. Or Mrs. Mochi.
You're gonna take Mr. Mochi's gal. Peak. Are you full-time futures? No. I mean, at the minute, yes. But does he have 15k trophies? Oh, but he does have 15. Do you have 15k?
Near enough. It's like high 14s.
Doesn't count.
I haven't really been playing it that much, so I took them out of it.
Told us about the back rooms. The back rooms is crazy. You sacking off FX? No, but for the minute, I'm not trading my personal account. I'm just trading my mil funded because it's a mil funded. So at the minute, I'm not trading Forex. At the minute, I'm just trading the old Dick Twist, the old futures. Oh my days. There's no way we need more liquidity. Liquidity.
Need more.
We have to win more. The good old dick twist, classic. Grab his dick. All right, man, chat. All I need is a relatively high time frame bullish close here. A little bit of MSS, if you're an absolute idiot. If you don't mind me asking, what made you change then in terms of the meta? I've plateaued with EU. Yeah, my bad. The meta, we keep using that word, and not realizing that most people don't.
Yeah.
Futures is the meta though. Realistically, the reason why futures is so good, there's such a low barrier to entry. The props are so scalable, right? So like futures props, you have like scalability. You could easily be trading like 10 mil funded if you fully locked in. Like low barrier to entry. So like for example, you pay the activation fee after pass. There's less slippage and spread. Well, there's pretty much no spread, right?
I'm on that. It's the exact same price action as well. So.
And yeah, same PA. Bro's giving me free lessons. I appreciate it. Bro, that's literally what the stream is. I've been streaming for the last 2 years here and just giving out free value the entire thing. Chat. By the way, if you do want to get a futures prop firm account, you can go ahead and use code TRLS at Alpha Futures or Apex Trader Funding, and that's going to get you the maximum discount on both firms, which is absolutely insane. Can't lie, ever since you messaged me the other day, the other night, I knew you were a real one. I appreciate it, bro. Chat, by the way, I'm doing the masterclass tonight as well. If you aren't in the masterclass, and maybe you can't join it or whatever, join the free Discord so you can join Tom's free streams tomorrow morning. This is the thing with TRLS, chat. I've built this community from the ground up by this one principle, right? I've built this community from the ground up. There's free value first. I always give you guys free streams, free education, free trades, free streams in the Discord, free trading journal, free course on the YouTube, free fucking everything. And then if you want to take it to the next level, you either join the course, the one-on-one mentorship, or the masterclass, right? It's that simple. And the people who do that are killing it, right? Like today, Kaiser passed another 50K. You're 150K funded since you joined the masterclass 3 months ago. We have Dorian who pulled out like 40K or something like that in payouts from Top Step. Honestly, it's just ridiculous, right? So if you do want to level up, that's an option you can do. But like I said, obviously there's always free value first. Let's get to 80 likes on the stream as well, man. Dang, SG never DMs me. Green, shoot me a DM, man. I'll be sure to reply to you ASAP. I'm trying to do a little meetup with you and the TTE boys in Florida. I might have to fly out. We might have to fly out. And then we
What's it called? It's a Fort Lauderdale. That's in Miami.
Fort Lauderdale.
It's like the big American.
Might have to do spring break.
Event. Yeah, well, I think that is in Fort
go.
Lauderdale.
Let you know the next one. Say less, bro. You're paying for my flight, yeah, Green? I appreciate it. See, this guy's a goat.
Business.
Wait, both of us first class? Green, you didn't have to, man, but I appreciate it. Thank you, bro. What a gentleman.
What a gentleman.
You the man that I appreciate it, bro. I'm just playing. Apparently we need more liquidity. Wagwan here, chat. This is kind of mental. Blood clot. Just sprinkle one of them in there. What are we looking for? I want a nice little Wixky. Well, we've already got the Wixky. I want a bullish close. What's good though, Danny? I can fold up into a suitcase, just saying. Is that an innuendo or? Getting bummed on these buys. Jed, there was no entry, my G. Chat, might be time to make a milli though. Let's head into Asia low.
Where's Asia low? Get your Leviathan on.
Hello.
Where's Asia low?
All the way down here towards 880. It could do. Oh, little flipperoonski. A gazilli maybe? You know, a gazilli would be nice. I would take half a gazilli though.
A humble gazilli.
Just a humble 1 gazillion. Chat, let's get to 100 likes on the stream. Why not? If we get to 100 likes, I'll give away 2 Alpha Futures accounts. They're worth like over $100 each, so that's actually a big giveaway. 100 likes on the stream now.
What is it stuck on? I on what level on what time frame?
It's not really stuck on anything, G.
It's just being weird. Maybe this. No?
Go to the 5 minute. Chat, look, I'm going... No hand.
Maybe this.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, to be honest,
And this.
I think we're just pushing down. I don't think it's stuck on anything. It's just bearish, right? It needs a lot of... You need a lot of volume to switch the momentum like this when you've been pushing down that hard.
Yeah. This is one of Eugene's...
OTE.
Nah, he banging on about falling knives to me yesterday. Just so shy, mate. Eugene, is this one of these fallen knives that you were talking about? You don't want to pick it up. You want to let it land first. Oh my god, you're already back. You just sat down. Guys, I know what we need.
Smart. This is what we pay him the big bucks for.
Come on, guys. Everyone get the magnets on. Let's pull this up together.
Yeah, the hammer underneath and start hitting it up.
Oh, I'll start chipping away. Oh, you ain't got the hammer.
Scroll down. You gotta keep going. It's in this section, I think. It's in one of these, the light bulb one. Yeah, there it is. Get it on. Get it on. Start swinging. It's working. The magnets are working, man.
No.
Yeah.
Come on, boys. Let's chip away at this together.
Boys, if we all do this together, surely it works.
Wait, I think we've got to bring in the wizard. We need him to. We need him to enchant the tools.
Mad.
Alright.
Put an unbreaking on it.
Yeah, this is now
Efficiency 5.
efficiency 5 hammer.
Is this market manipulation? Maybe. Maybe.
Oh my god, I've got to get the forearm into
Oh,
this
it's
one.
actually Chat, it's working. We're like that guy that's casting spells on the African uncles. Uncle, it's working.
Come on, mate. You
That's it.
go get some protein powder and just start throwing it, casting it around the room.
It's working, Uncle, it's working. Market persuasion. Now this is just purely... Shit, we're about to get indicted. You know what the best one is though? You get the clown out and the market feels really embarrassed. You start calling it a clown. Ooh. Check the 5, Uncle. Uncle is mad. And I've just replied to it as well. I've actually just...
And then you get the ghost out because it'll be afraid of the
Yeah.
ghost.
The best... Nah, you got to get the umbrella as well so it can't rain down on you. Now we're protected. Alright, chat, this is diabolical.
Although, arguably, it did start going up as soon as you got the emojis out, so... Is there a correlation there?
Align them properly, north and south. Oh shit, yeah. What if the magnets end up pushing it down now? We have to move them up. Yeah, we could put a magnet underneath so you know how it pushes it away. Get the aubergine, if it touches it then it's gay. Bro's locked in. Bro knows the strat. See, Ewan bought the course and that's what you learn. That's what Ewan learned in the course.
No, you just move the magnets and it's rejected.
Oh shit. Chat, my bad. No, I moved the magnets. Unironically, that's my fault.
Ooh.
It's because we stopped hammering.
We flipped.
Chat, it worked for a bit, man. Maybe the magnets ran out of power or some shit. Binned off all the lectures and just watch the emoji module. I should actually include that in my
You
course.
should get the emoji one.
I should actually make the emojis, oh, fuck. I give up.
That might be a good
Chat,
one.
what would you do if I added to my course the emoji module? That's a horrible candle. Yeah, that 5's vile. Really not nice. Vile things. Vile. You've got haters, you. You should take an English course. Holy shit. I'm actually... What is it HS said? I actually articulate the English literature in a profound manner. Yeah, I don't know here, chat. 15 minutes is closing. If it does close bullish, though, chat, we might be in for a howler. Anyone fancy going on holiday to Birmingham? Oh. Chipper. We just dropped like 30 viewers because of the magnets, chat.
What were you at before?
Like 130. All right.
That's when it was going up, though.
I know. Chat, here we go, man. To be honest, we'll wait for NYSE open in 15 minutes. And ironically, this could be very good on the 15. I mean, it's flipped now, so it's kind of cooked. But I need it to close bullish here. If the 15 does close bullish, I mean, to be fair, it's rejected now. But has the 1 minute shifted market structure? Yes. Good. All right, now, if the 5 minute can do so, close like somewhere above here, we actually should be good to go. Why is my mouse making me click everything twice?
I'll put some force behind them clicks, mate.
May the force be with you. Nah, I'm not a fan of safaris. Mad. The Birmingham trip. Should charge extra for the emoji module? Yeah, I actually should.
This is one of my favourite comments from Kaiser.
There is opportunity. There's always opportunity in the market, chat.
You do love there's so much opportunity here. It's your catchphrase.
Trade's taking his current day? No, that's from yesterday. Let me delete it. Ah. That was yesterday. We hit BE on some gold buys. In fact, the last 3 trades on stream have been break-even gold buys. Haven't even needed to change it the whole time. It's kind of mad. Been unlucky the past couple of... Well, not unlucky, actually. Just well managed, I would say. When merch, tank top. I do have TRLS merch that's made. I just need to produce it somewhere. I need to find a factory. Gosh, getting cooked. Jed, surely you went BE when you were up like 1,000,000 pips. You saw 41 pips. Last trade was the 23rd. On stream? Nah. Last trade was yesterday, and there was another one Monday, I think, and another one the day before, the week before. Not gonna lie, I can see why you smashed your win rate. You have patience for your setup. I would have taken this already for a low entry and would have fucked it. Hats off, mate. AJ, I appreciate it, brother. Surely that Indian guy from the chat knows some sweatshop. Crazy from Kaiser. Unironically, though, do you know a sweatshop? Anyone in the chat? Heard China has some good factories for mass producing clothes. Nah, surely not. Oh, yours. Okay, Triz, I get it. SG, is that right? If there's no wick and close, there is no range? Yeah, exactly. So if it creates, so what we'll do is it creates the wick on the next one and continue the direction, or reverse without a wick? Yeah, exactly. In all seriousness, I actually have factory links out here in China. Bro, seriously, I've been looking for factory links for like a year. I can't lie. That's got to be Friendly Fire. Kaiser is such an Indian name. Yeah, I wonder if Kaiser is Indian or not.
What? No, he's British. Oh, alright.
It's alright, mate. Not all of us can be so quick-witted as me.
So I'm too switched on.
Chat, we swept the low. We swept the low. Very interesting here. So if you reject now... Yeah, I might be done for. 15 closed, no bottom wick as well. Holy guacamole. Thoughts? Bulk buy Temu hoodies and iron your design on them? No way, bro. It has to be high quality shit. Like high quality-ish, bro. Pushing back up, chat. After sweeping the low. Potentially stopping Jet out. Imagine, that'd be so peak.
The lion never goes break.
That edged me? Okay, fair. Hopefully it's still in. The lion never goes break even.
The lion never goes break. He doesn't even concern himself with break even.
The next lows to the left could be more liquidity. True, it could break this no bottom wick previous 30-minute candle. Correction, hourly candle. It could need to come down here. But we've grabbed some liquidity here. Now if you can close above these highs, you should be more than good to go, Mr. Chat. Do you ever think of making your own TRLS posters?
Static, man. That's reflected. Why is everything he does so green?
Look at the size of my arms. I want that.
Forest GT3 you got.
Get the wing out. Yes, sir. Is that the car you're talking about? No, bro. I'm not quite at GT3 RS levels yet. I will be soon, though. SG, if you want to hit me up on Discord, I'm CH Elite. I can get some info on the merch and chat to my guy. Shoot me a DM, bro, please. That'd be fire. We low-key need a TRLS poster. Oh, chat, I'll drop it then. I'll drop it. How do I do that? Shopify.
Yeah.
A what?
I don't know about what. Shopify would be relatively straightforward.
Oh, the chart. Thank you, Jay. Thought there was a safe behind that. Imagine. If the 30 closes bullish with this big bottom wick, it might be great for buys. I agree 100%, Mr. Nova. If this closes bullish, I will take some buys, most likely. Take us up all the way towards the top of the range key. Just need to wait for that close, man. 10 minutes, chat. 10 minutes to a 30-minute close. It's also going to be NYSE Open as well. News at 5. Be careful, uncle. Where do you plan to put your stop loss? Below the lows. It would be like here. Masterclass people should have a chance to get the posters, as is another milestone in career. Maybe I can start doing giveaways for the poster.
Rather than producing the entire poster yourself, you could just sell the file.
Maybe. I'm off to the gym, Grandpa. I'll see you on the masterclass. See you on the masterclass, Mark. See you on the masterclass. Chat, I'm excited for that tonight. It's going to be great, man. I'll be looking for the buys. Hopefully you get them. Are we going to close bullish? Bully. I don't even play that game. If you get that SG, man, I'll let you for the grandpa. For the unk, yeah. He's banned. You're banned. Chat, by the way, we are... I will be dropping a new video. I think it might be ready already. At like 6 p.m. So like 2 hours after stream finishes. 6 p.m. Cyprus time, not UK time. 4 p.m. UK time. I'll be dropping a nice little video. It's going to be the Bright funded interview. Oh yeah, it's going to premiere. Yeah, 4 o'clock. Look at that. What a fucking thumbnail that is.
That's a good thumbnail.
My guy cooked. Estimated, wait. Estimated monthly earnings on YouTube, $620. Blood, I'm demonetized. That makes $0. But yeah, chat, make sure you go watch this when it comes out. It's a banger. Banger. Click that notify me button.
Nobody's on.
Oh my days. This is actually playing with us. It refuses to make any bullish market structure here, chat. This is not giving me the best hope in the buys.
Jed, are you still in this? I wonder what his entry was.
Wait, does Apex do biggest discount? What, more than 80%? They barely do. They do 90%, but it's really rare. Like, I think it's once a quarter on average. So it's pretty rare. Whack PA? Yeah, the PA is pretty... I mean, it's not whack. It's just bearish. Like, it's pretty understandable. It's just making higher... lower lows, lower highs. But I want the switch in market structure for the buys. Oh.
Yeah, time flies when you're having fun, mate.
Stops at 38.90.2. Oh my days, you actually got edged. You got the mega edged. Chat, can we get a little position here, man? To be honest, it could fill down. There's also there is a level here that you tapped into and rejected off of. But realistically, the next major level is going to be 38.87, so it could fill the range all the way down. Come and get this no bottom wick 1 hour candle and then reflip. But like I said, it kind of respected this high as well. Like if you look at it here, in fact, I bet on futures, on Forex, I bet it respected. Yeah, it did. So I would say that actually respected that previous high to the left. So if this 30 can close bullish here, that is actually extremely valid. It might even be on the hourly, but I don't think I'll wait for the hourly, to be honest. Sells below that 1 hour support? Yeah, maybe, but at that point, it's going to have moved already so far down. Daily's nearly flipping as well. Very interesting, chat. 5 minutes till NYSE here, and then the 30 close, obviously. Might be sleepy beepies, you know.
You sleepy? Sleepy beepies.
$10 million. $10 million. What would you do if one day I came in, right, and I just hit the full port of dreams and I was floating a bill and then didn't close?
And didn't tell me.
Yeah. I didn't tell you. It didn't close, and then it went back to break even.
Well, if you didn't close out at $1 billion up, I would have no sympathy for you if it hit break even.
But imagine to get to $1 billion, you would have had to go through $1 million profit, $10 million profit, 100 million.
And you've not a single time maybe taken a partial or trailed your stops. Nah, just leave it down there. Leave it at the entry. What did you say it wasn't? 897.
Do you check DXY price action? No, I don't. I don't do the DXY versus gold thing, purely because I've never needed to really. Can you make a video on how to copy trade Apex? There is a video you said you would do it on the next one. Okay, I will. Bro, I'm sure before telling him you'll jump off the balcony. Trust me. I'm not telling you. I'm dying with that secret. Yo, bro, by the way, I'm going stops to break even on this. And you're like, what? We're not even in a trade. Nah, I took buys. Peak. AJ, you're right, man.
I think this might just be a slow bleed down to the next level.
The move could play out after news. Yeah, I agree. I think it could be. I mean, we'll see, right? It could either play out before, on NYSE, which is in 3 minutes, or it waits till news, which is in 30 minutes. So realistically, if we don't get the trade right now on this 30 close, I'm not going to wait for it. We'll go Jim.
The guy.
L. Can you shut the door? Please.
Please.
I said please.
Alright, good boy.
Bro, get him a chair. Like, where's he sitting? He's on a chair.
I'm floating. I'm just floating. I've just got really, really long legs. You're supposed to laugh.
It's so hot in here, no? No, she's sweating. Maybe I'm sweating because I'm about to catch a bill on a trade. Maybe my body knows it's getting ready. 2 minutes to the close, chat. It's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good, bruv. Chat, can we get to 75 likes on the stream? We're 5 likes off. Click that blood clot like button right now. Yeah, man. Tom's aura's hot. No, it's not. This guy said your aura's hot.
Yeah.
Chat, if you haven't already joined the Discord, make sure you join the free Discord. It's very important. That's where we do all of the sort of educational shit. That's where I drop my trade analysis before the week. That's where Tom does his London streams. And that's where you can just engage with the community, right? It's not even about me being in there. It's about you chatting to each other, helping each other get better. You know, like, for example, you got people trying to figure out issues. Like, you know, Tom had an issue with his trade of 8. You know, people helping each other out. Is this a good long setup? Everything, man. Yeah, Baze keeps catching monster trades in school. It's kind of mad. Is it going to flip or what? By the looks of things, my friend, no. And if the 30 closes into the range, then I'm done. In fact, I might even preload the Geo. Oh! There's no way we've just been in sync with the and the oh. It's kind of mad. That's a very clear sign we've been spending too much time together. If my SL hit, I'm done for the day. Smart, Bedge. Come on, son, push up. Watch it close respecting and then just go a billion candles upwards.
How many points is that? 200. 200.
Fuck you, thank you for the 20 bandos.
200.
Are we going to close bullish, chat, or no? 12 seconds. I think it might be too little too late here, chat. Oh my days, that is insane. Closed just below. I think this rips up right now, I can't lie. Can't lie. I genuinely think this rips back up all the way towards the highs, but there's no position. Niche position, mate. Literally niche position. When is the last chance to get some masterclass? Gonna try and make some time for it. Like, you have a couple of hours to join, my bro. You have a couple of hours. It's at 8 PM UK time, right? So, I mean, everyone should be done from work unless you work night shifts. Chat, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the stream. Oh my days, what did I say? I said it close respecting and then rip.
That's actually a bit of aura from Jed right there. He's held through all that drawdown and he's reaped the rewards.
Don't give Jed the aura points. Masterclass will be on webinar or Zoom.
Well played, Jed.
Zoom. Chart.
Chart's on screen, mate.
Chart.
Oh, it's just...
Oh wow, it twerked on that resistance line. The hourly is going to be so clean if it closes like this, but then the hourly's news, right?
Jed, I hope you've learned your lesson and not break even here, mate.
Check Dissy. I'll check the Dissy, Bedge. How did I survive? Oh my days. Bro literally got... Bro stock got like assaulted. And then...
He survived it though. He's in prof right now.
Buy now? No signals, Michael. No buy now. There's no setup. No bottom wick on this 30 means it could just fucking reject at any time. Alright, chat. That's gonna be it from me, man. Oh, do you have this thing?
Nothing.
The... Oh. Right, chat. I think that's going to be it from me because you got news in 30 minutes. I can't be asked to wait for it. If you are joining the masterclass, if you've already joined, make sure you go ahead and actually check the WhatsApp chat for when I send the Zoom link in. And If you haven't joined already and you want to secure a spot, head over to my Instagram at Trendlines, and make sure you go ahead and secure it. Otherwise, join the free Discord. Go and grab yourself an account with Apex or Alpha Futures using code TRLS. And other than that, chat, let's play the Geoguessr and we'll call it a Bomba Rasclat day. Copy.
No, he's gone BE.
The lion does not concern himself with going BE. Jed is apparently not the lion. Safe, lads. Safe. Chat, you guys are getting smoked at the Geo today. What would a possible play be? Hourly closes bullish. Next hourly comes down. Bottom wick first on news. You take the flip on news and then pull it up, right? That'd be the play, chat. Big Rejeki. Oh my days. These men just spawned in. $23 baby mother. No, 23 baby. 22 baby mother. A real bad man. Not the party girl. Look at this guy, man. Hugh, that's a custom skin as well. Bro's picked that. Alright, chat. You guys are getting smoked. 1000%. Help me out. Yeah. Oh.
Northumberland. It never is, but one of these times it will be.
It's not even a British road, I don't think.
That's near my house.
They're driving on the right, you dipshit. It's like Germany or somewhere. I reckon it's like, I'm gonna put it here. Middle of Europe guest, never fails. Yeah, see? Well close.
Estonia. That looks quite nice for that, man. Wait, they're weed plants.
They actually are weed plants. No, they're not. It's got to be like... How are you meant to figure this out?
I don't know, it's just kind of giving me like...
Asia.
Yeah, like Thailand or something. Do Cambodia though, because it's never Thailand.
Stick it in the middle. I think it might be Lao. Oh, Jakarta. How is that right outside a major city and it looks like that?
How did we get like no points there as well? How are these guys so close though?
Oh, come on, son.
Italy.
Yeah.
Italia.
Oh no, it's not. Isn't San Marino? Where's San Marino? Isn't that?
I'm not sure.
Oh, I thought San Marino was in Sardinia. Alright, whatever. Is that its own country? It is, isn't it? Because it said on the sign San Marino. I just didn't know where it was.
It's not just a city or a place in Italy.
Nah, I thought so too, but it's... Oh my days.
This is like up, very northern hemisphere.
I think it's either like Germany or like Norway or something like that.
This is further north than that. You can tell by the trees.
Shut up.
Fuck.
I said Germany. You've just sold. You've actually just sold the entire game. Can't even get for... Oh, we can, but... Come on, son. Give me some...
Oh my god, I'm so tired. Yawn.
Oh. Oh. Go on, son. Oh, I'll take a third. Hugh, what went on, man? I thought you were Mr. Geoguessr. Holy. Alright, chat, look, that's been it from me, man. Listen. Have a great rest of your stream. I'll catch you guys in a bit. See you, oh, not the stream. Great rest of your trading day. I'll catch you guys for tomorrow's stream. Listen, man, peace out. Much love. See you guys in the next one, chat. Bye-bye. Join the masterclass.